apologise for the wind, but it's about time I did an update video, because the last trailer video of the car obviously didn't have any audio, and well, it was how it kind of used to be when it was supercharged. So might as well update it now anyway. Means it's a Sunday afternoon and we've been playing, as you can see, while his car is on the on the garden. So for people who are new to the channel, generally the kind of most work at the moment has been mine and Gregor's car. But we'll start off with mine, which, if you don't know, is a 1.8 BPZE, something like that, from a Mazda Miata or MX-5. It was NA, then it was supercharged, then it was turbocharged with the T25, and now it's a TD04, so slightly bigger. As for the main specs, standard radiator, off-the-shelf eBay intercooler, RX-8 injectors, MGC fiberglass repro bonnet, Mark 1 Ford Escort bubble arches, Elysia rotors in a 8J, I believe. I can't remember, I bought them such a long time ago. Standard rear axle, open. It's got uprated shocks on the rear, uprated springs on the front and shocks. Inside, it is a standard MGB GT interior, really, with obviously all rear upholstered in leather. It's got a ME221 running most of the stuff for the engine wise, which is all wired into the central area, the console area, which used to have a normal console, and I took it out because I didn't like it. So I've kept the MGB GT wiring and the MX-5 wiring apart from two wires that jump in for the ignition to read the clocks and do the lights and stuff. I've got a digital display out with the dash. We use running rear dash or Mighty, which comes from the ECU. Apart from that, it is all MGB. MGB floor pan, MGB rear suspension, MGB front suspension. The only things I had to do was make a custom engine mount on both sides. Left hand side, or driver's side in this country, uses the right hand side, sorry, not left hand side. Driver's side uses a MX-5 engine mount, the other side uses a Land Rover bobbin engine mount. Generally, if you've been watching the videos, you know exactly about this car really and what I've gone through. I didn't know, 20 years this year or next year, and it's been amazing, and I've learned so much on this car, and I'm grateful for so many things and so many friends because of this car, that it's a massive part of me now. Yeah, even got a tow bar now. I used to tow a caravan with it. I mean, how unbelievable is that on a supercharger back then? So at the moment it does rip, and it's only running 6 psi, so today's job might be to wind it up a bit, I think. But I want to do a new video for the channel anyway, and it's just a review and update. Things always change. Okay.